In a previous video we showed how you can put group breaks into a grid. In this video we'll show how you can enhance your group breaks by including summary information in the group header or group footer. So here we have a simple grid based on the invoice items table, and I'm going to go back to design mode now and then go over to the groups property, and I'm going to turn groups on, and then I'm going to bring up the builder, and I'm going to break on invoice number, and then let's go here and put in a group header. So I'm going to delete this first column so that the group header is aligned flush left in the row, and I'm going to go here and say invoice number, and then let's put in the value of the break field, which is invoice number, and then let's go over here and say total for invoice. And now I'm going to go over there, and inside the header text over here I'm going to choose a summary field, and I'm going to choose extension. I'm going to choose the total, and I'm going to choose a display format that uses 2 decimal places and a $sign. So let's go ahead now and click OK, and you can see that Alpha 5 put in the expression for me. The actual summary value is represented by that placeholder over there, and then the rest of the XBasic in the curly brackets is just the XBasic formatting expression. So let's go ahead now and click OK, and then save that, and then go over to live preview now. So you can see here that for invoice number 1 the total is 1,500. For invoice number 2 the total is 270, which is that 235 plus 35 over there. So in this case I just have my summary data in the group header, but let's go back now and put a count of the number of records in the group, and let's put that in the group footer. So we'll go back now to design mode. We'll go back there. We'll turn on the group footer. Again, I'm going to I'll leave the column on, which so this column forces the text over here to skip over the summary columns, which is the summary column is the columns that contain the row pointer and the save and undo buttons and things like that. So let's go here and type in, say, count, and then insert a summary value. So we'll just go and count any field. It doesn't matter which field we choose to count, and we don't need to format the value at all. So there's our expression over there, and now let's go ahead, save it now and run it. And we see now that the first group has 6 records, the second group has 2 records, etc. So adding summary values to groups, to group headers and group footers is extremely easy. I should point out that using summary values in group headers and group footers is currently only supported for grids that are based on SQL tables. Thank you very much.